We'll guide you through how to do a full reset, reinstall, recover and restore of Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps running into problems, or you want to go and have a fresh start, or maybe you want to go and sell it. It doesn't matter, we'll guide you through this. Depending upon the option you choose, which we'll guide you through in a moment, you can go and choose whether to keep your files, but you can also go and do a full reset. And so you may want to go and consider doing a backup, so you go and keep your important files before you go and lose them. Press the Windows button at the bottom of your computer and open your settings. These will shortly open. You want to go to the left and you want to go and press System. Scroll down and you want to find the option for Recovery, and you can click here, and in here in Recovery Options find Reset this PC, and you can go to the right and press the button. Now you can choose whether you want to go and keep your files. It will still go and remove apps and settings, but it will keep your personal files, or you can go and remove everything, which is what I want to do. It'll go and say getting things ready, and you can then go and choose how you want to go and reinstall Windows. I'll do a local reinstall, confirm the settings here, and when you're ready, press next, and it'll then be getting things ready, and then just confirm this here. And if you're ready, you can go and press reset. That's it.